Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the HDO box application to your Fire Stick in 2026, specifically the version that does still work on these devices. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is getting the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search and start typing Downloader in a search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on Downloader, and here's that app, which you need to get to your device. But then, after you've got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go into Settings. So click that button with a gear icon, and here you'll need to turn on My Fire TV. Open it. Now from here, we have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it is really easy to make them appear. Just go into About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging. Then you go into installation of unknown apps. And from here, just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we head back into list of apps on a Fire Stick, and there you will be able to locate the Downloader. But before actually using it, there's one more really important step. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Denmark right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you'll get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head back into a list of apps on your device, open it, and then let's head into the Downloader. So you open it up, then here at the top there's a search bar, let's open it, and now you'll need to enter a code to get the app to your device. So the code is going to be 4391183. So once again, 4391183. That is the code you'll have to enter. Then just click on Next, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download should start in just a couple of moments. That's right. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Now let me move my camera a bit below so you would see that installation button right here. Click install and just give the app some time to get fully installed. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because that way you get that option to delete the unnecessary installation files from your device. So click on delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. That's actually really important. Then we get back to a list of apps on your device, open it, and right here you will be able to find the HDO box. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote. So you hold down and that menu appears on the right side. Click on move to front, and that way the app will always be at the very beginning of your application list, and it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just of course, don't forget the most important step. It is to always have your VPN turned on and connected. And if you don't have a VPN yet, just use my link below this video or in the pinned comment to get 3 months of service free of charge. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.